Hi, Carrie Downey here from Clarity Company. Just wanting to provide you a little inside view of what's happening here at the office. Today, I happen to be working on a project for a client I've had for quite a few weeks now. I've proposed some recommendations for improving their workflow and streamlining their processes. And one of the recommendations that I had made was that they implement a dashboard view into their they have a customized database and it does a lot of great things, but one of the things that it lacks is an overview for them to be able to see what's happening. So I've done a mock-up here of what I'm proposing as a dashboard view, presenting to their IT folks to implement, to actually bring to fruition. So I wanted their administrators, to have an overview of how many registrations are completed each week, each month, and year to date, and be able to look at what's happening and what is so-called open or needing completed, the number that are submitted each week, and items that are being flagged for more attention, and similarly over here with the registration. I've also put together a dashboard view for the individual staff member. When they open up their database, they would be able to have a better view of what's in progress, what's waiting for them. Each of these windows will allow them to see what's coming next, what's currently being worked on, down here, which ones have problems and need special attention, and then ones that they have recently worked on. It's always nice to have access to something that maybe you just worked on a few minutes ago and it's here, and so you can click on it and go back and change things if you need to. I've tried to identify the different columns that they'll need for the spreadsheet type view here so that they can pull what data is already available to them in the database into this dashboard view. And I think it will just really help everybody have a more focused view on what needs to be done each day, what is coming, and what has already been done.